Hey guys, welcome back to House Kids and McKenna's Giggles. Today is vlog day. Come on, Coco. So today I am getting ready to pimp out my buddy's garage with these Matace carpet tiles. And today we've got Coco with us and she's helping us out. She's our little model. What I wanted to show you guys is the insulation on these Matace. You guys know that I've done a video before, but this is what I want to show you is the insulation. So you pull these backings off, set that to the side, and this is how the Matace carpets are installed. So what I was going to tell you guys about this is I'm pimping out my buddy's garage with these. And these are super, super cool because my thing with these is that if you are looking to have an extension off of your house, you can pimp out your garage with these Matace tiles, and it is super easy, very quick. If you need a extra room, let's say for family holidays, the holidays are coming up, perfect timing to grab these because holidays are around the corner. You can, let me have that. Thank you. You can put these down in your garage, pimp it out all Christmassy like, and then you can pick them up, put them back in the box because they're that easy, and use them for your next holiday party. So these are super, super sweet. You cannot hardly even see the crease in them at all whenever you put them together. And I was even having a hard time finding where it ended and where it began. You just snug them up and you can't even see it. So if you happen to spill something on these, you just pick them up and you take them to the wash bin. And these things are awesome. I've got friends that pimp out their garages. They take them in the man caves. They've got, they use them for their homeschool rooms, just family rooms. If you don't need your garage, then keep them down and use them. They come in different thicknesses. This is a thinner thickness, but you can have them for a playroom in your garage. You can do your homeschool in a garage, family room in a garage, play like a gaming room. I know some of you guys like to play cards and stuff like that. But this is how quick and easy that it is. There's no glue, there's no adhesives, there's absolutely nothing. You don't have to have an installer. You don't have to pay the big bucks for the installer to come in and put carpet down. The best things, these are not just rugs, they stay put. So that is the huge difference between this and just an ordinary rug. These stay and they don't slip. So they are non-slip. What do y'all think? Pretty super sweet, I have to say. So, guys, if y'all are looking for a type of carpet to pimp out your garages, this is like totally awesome. So my buddy's gonna come back and he's gonna have his little entertainment room pimped out, and this bad boy that he did looks really nice, but it is a super bad boy with this Matace carpet tiles. So I'll link the link below. There's holiday percentages off. So go through my link and then you'll get some percentages off. Also, you get 18% off of my link as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and yeah, catch the link and we'll see you guys on the next video vlog. And as always, make sure that you have fun, be kind, and make memories along the way because that's what's on there. See ya.